boys, welcome back. This is it. I am finally going to try to start this 1977 911S. All right, enough talking. Let's see if this thing runs. This is open headers, no muffler. Woo! All right, boys, not trying to troll you, but I gotta stop it right here. Basically, if you didn't see my previous video, you should probably go check that out. I've got some huge updates for the future of this channel. This channel is gonna be splitting into 2 different channels, all right, dudes? So the one you're watching right now is gonna be focused on marine content only. The new channel, Advanced Garage, you can click up here or down in the link below to subscribe to that. That's going to have all the other stuff that I'm doing. So all the cars, snowmobiles, bus, land, all that stuff going over there. All right, dude, so if you want to see this thing start, you got to click this video right here. If you want to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe, all right? Cheers.
Oh my God, do you not have the exhaust on or something?
There's no muffler on it.
Okay, I was like, what the hell? Dude, you don't understand, Wicked is so scared right now. He's so upset.
It runs!
I see that.
It runs!
You don't have to yell anymore.